How to create a Ria account online? Well, it is really easy. You go to Ria's website or download their app, then tap register or create an account. You'll first choose your country of residence and enter your mobile phone number to receive a 6-digit verification code. Once you have entered the code, create a secure password and provide basic personal details like your full name, date of birth, and email address. Depending on where you live, Ria might also ask for your occupation, nationality, or official ID. Just follow the prompts. Next, input your home address and decide if you want to receive promotional messages. After that, you'll get a confirmation note. Congratulations, your account is now active and ready for transfers. And then after that, you could do is with your new Ria account, you can add recipients like a payment method or like a bank debit or credit card, and send money internationally, all from the comfort of your phone or browser. If you found this helpful, well, hit like, subscribe for more remittance tips, and share it with anyone who needs to set up a Ria account quickly and easily.